Day 32 of growing our microbial sandbox by adding random stuff and observing it under the microscope every day. Remember the phenol red we added yesterday? The sandbox is now orange in color. That might mean the microorganisms have produced acidic metabolites, neutralizing the previously alkaline environment. Let's take a look and see what's still alive in there. Good news. More microorganisms are back. And look who returned. This kidney-shaped microbe is called poda, a type of ciliate that thrives on bacteria. They're often found in soil and decaying matter, and they seem happy here. So it looks like our sandbox is stabilizing again. Now, I've received tons of comments asking me to add blood, so let's do it. Safely. But first, let's take a look at my blood under the microscope. Don't try it at home, especially when handling microorganisms. There's always a risk of infection. You can see a large number of red blood cells floating around like tiny donuts. These biconcave discs are great at transporting oxygen. Some look a bit shriveled, that's likely due to osmotic changes. Then I mixed in a bit of sandbox fluid. Now some red blood cells appear paler. That's because they burst due to the osmotic imbalance between the fluid and their internal environment, leaving just the empty membranes behind. Take a closer look. A white blood cell is clinging to some bacteria. It looks like it's activated, trying to defend against invaders. Even the ciliates didn't last long. They burst quickly in the blood sandbox mix. Not a friendly place for them. Anyway, I added some blood into the sandbox to see what happens next. Also adding dog fur. Don't worry, my dog doesn't have any ticks or mites. Deodorant. Actually, just some perfume. Let's make the sandbox smell nicer. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.